Hello, welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So welcome once again. In this part of the video, I'll be showing you how you can change your company address. So provided the company is moving to another location, you want to change the register address, and you also want to change the head office address. So this video is for you. So I'll be showing you a step by step on how to change it. So before you can make any changes, so you are going to be doing a post incorporation service in order for you to effect the change. So what I mean by post incorporation service is that you are going to be needing access to an agent account in order for you to be able to make these changes. So once you log into your agent account, so the dashboard of the agent account is going to look like this, as you can see. So once you can log in, so what you want to do is to do the company search. So you search for the name of the company. You can either search by the registration number or the RC or the BN, the name of the company, the address or the email or the phone number. So in this case, I will be searching with the name of the company. So the name of the company I will be searching, which is called Haulier Global. So I'm gonna click on search. So once you click on search, it's going to bring up the details of the company and the RC number, the entity, the address, date of registration. So that is what is going to bring out for you. So once it brings it out, the next thing you want to do is to click on proceed to dashboard. So once you click on proceed to dashboard, so it's going to load the details of the company. So once it's load the details of the company, so here you can do so many things. So you can do alteration of memorandum, you can file your annual return. I'll be showing you in another part of the video on how to file annual return for both business name and company name as well. So you can also appointment of administrator, receiver manager or supervisor. So if you want to retrieve your certificate as well, change of company secretary, change of director, if you want to change allotment of shares, so we have so many things you can do here. Change the register address, so this is where we are going. So if you want to change the company address, so what you have to do is to click on change of registered address. So what you want to click on is to click on start change of address filing. So you want to click on this. So once you click on it, so it's going to bring out this instruction for you. Make sure you read it. So then you are going to click on proceed. So as you can see, so I'm going to click on that right now. So but before doing that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, and if you are finding value in this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit the notification bell, so the moment I drop another video on your CAC registration, so you are going to be the first person to get notified. So let's proceed to the next stage. So I'm going to click on proceed now. Okay, so once I click on proceed, so you are going to see the name of the company, the RC of the company. So and you are going to see the register office of the above company where it is situated. This means the first address you are seeing here, which is the section A, is the address that is currently registered on the company profile. So as you can see, so the section B is the head office. So in this case, this company doesn't have the section B. So now the section C is the new register office of the above named company is now changed to, which means the address you are changing the registered office to. So basically you have two type of address in company registration. We have the head office address and we have the registered address. So what you want to do is to fill in the information, the house number, the street name, which I've done in this case, the state, local government, city. Then the section D is the new head office if it's different from the register address. But if it's not registered, just leave it empty. And all this place that is marked in red asterisks, make sure they are all filled. It is compulsory. Anywhere that is marked in red asterisk, make sure it is filled. And the resolution date is going to be the date you are doing making these changes. So you are going to click on it. So in this case, so I'm going to be choosing today's date. Okay, so once I do that, the next thing you want to do is the authentication. So this form is authorized by this
director, secretary, or any authorized officer of the company. So here you are going to input either the name of the secretary, the name of any director of the company. So it's going to serve as the one that approve the changes. Okay, so the next thing under the description, you can leave it as null. So you click on save and continue. So once you click on save and continue, so the next thing you want to do is to preview. So make sure you check the information. As you can see, so the register office of the above company is situated as, so which is the previous address. So now this is the new address. Okay, the register office of the above company is now changed to, so you make sure you check it. So make sure you check it if it's correct. So once everything is correct, the next thing you want to click on is proceed to payment. So you click on proceed to payment. Okay, so you are going to be paying 10,000 naira. So for filing of notice of change in register address, then for status report payment. So I'm gonna make the payment right now.
After you've made your payment, you'll be redirected to this page. So just click on upload document. Okay, so once you upload the necessary documents, click on submit. So let me quickly do that. Okay, once you click on submit application, so it's going to move to pending. So you wait for approval. So that is how you can simply change your company address. So if you find value in this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. So thank you guys, and see you in another part of video.